Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow octopus. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw the head with its two cute eyes like this. The smiling mouth here. His cheeks. And then I draw his arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, I draw suction cups on each of his arms. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For its arms, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I color the first arm with red. I use orange for the second. The third is yellow. The fourth is light green. Light blue. Oops! Dark blue. Purple. Pink. Aqua blue. For her mouth, I used 2 different shades of red. Pink. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.